It is now 4 p.m. on June 7th, Beijing time. Yesterday, the video suggested that EURUSD go long below 1.0667. After the issue, the lowest price was 1.06671. The pending order was only one spread away and was not triggered. If there is a manual execution, the exchange rate rises to 1.0704 at the highest, and there is a profit margin of 37 points to grasp. Since increase is not too much, you can continue to hold it. If there is a good selling opportunity, Lauda will remain in the traders group. Then there's gold. Yesterday, it was recommended to go long below 1946. After the issue, the lowest price was 1954.4, which was $8.4 away from the pending order. And the highest price was 1966.7, with a cumulative increase of 123 points. The direction is correct, but not entering the market is not an effective signal. In addition to the intraday signals, those who want to use the EA program with stable income to run transactions can refer to the Lauda's master account. From June 1st to today, the net profit is $3,049, and the monthly income is stable at 10 to 17%. Next, we will continue to check the daily income in the video. If you are interested, you can also add the contact information at the top of the screen to ask me for the observation password. The password is changed every week. If you get it, you can see the real-time operation weekly. After the process is over, consider joining the trader group or participating in account management business if it suits you. How to operate today? First, look at EURUSD. Because yesterday's bullish pending order at 1.0667 failed to trigger entry, Lauda reminded in the trader group that you can go long at 1.0680, and the lowest price will step back to 1.0668 after it is issued, so some orders are still open in possession. Today, EURUSD will not make new points. Wait for the market to come out, and if there is a good selling opportunity, Lauda will remind you in the group. As for gold, the US debt ceiling agreement has temporarily come to an end, and the Fed has also entered a period of silence. Unless there is an emergency, the US index will not have greater volatility. It is more clear that there is no catalyst for the market, and we need to wait for next week's CPI data, and the Federal Reserve meeting will shake up the current market. It is expected that this week will be dominated by shocks. Gold can pay attention to the two supports at 1948 and 1934 below, and the resistance at 1976 and 1985 at the top. Wait for the key points to sell high and buy low. Today, it is recommended to short sell gold from 1975 to 1986 and put the stop loss at 1988. At the same time, you can go long at 1946 to 1935 and put the stop loss at 1933. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing, but it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lauda will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Jean-Jacques Rousseau.